Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with a Kokorosastudio package that I received. Oh my goodness, sorry you guys. Well, anyways, this is Kokorosa unboxing, and let me go ahead and show you what I got. I just went ahead and opened it so you guys, not to take too much of your time. So this is what I got, and OMG. So this is a little what is it, like a little treat box, and it is so cute. I love that it is about the size of my hand. I do have a small hand, you guys. So it is about, let me see, 5 inches by, let me see, sorry guys, 5 inches by, let me see, a little over 4, well, 5 by 4. So I can't wait to work with it. I can't wait to make something. So you guys, the bumblebee, I was a little late on the bumblebee wagon, so I was so wanting to do this, like really wanting to do it, and didn't have the opportunity. So I went ahead and got the bumblebee, which is so cute. Look at you guys. And then it's the honeycomb right here. So these will be great for card making, and these, as you guys know, for embellishments, card making, anything. And then I also got this cute little pencil die. Thought it was so cute. Oh my goodness. And I can't wait to make something. My kids are in school, so that's why I wanted to get something like that. So I figured we could make something. I believe this is like a shaker die, but I want to see if I could probably make something different. So we'll see. So, and then I also got a Christmas. Oh no, it looks like a little Christmas. Some of the leaves are Christmas. Actually, it is a Christmas. Here are the snowflakes right here, you guys. And then this is the wreath, and there's could be a cardinal or bird, and then all these extra leaves. So yay, can't wait to work with it. I will link everything that I received from Kokorosastudio down on the description below, you guys. They have so many dies, you guys. OMG, it's hard not to start. It's hard to stop. So anyways, I will link them, all these dies, down on the description below. Link Kokorosastudio, and I will also link a discount code. So go over, check out the website, and thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.